A finished WoW could have slinky arms, perfect for playing and posing. It can hold your favorite picture. It would make a great pencil holder and an attractive addition to your desk. To complete this craft, you will need additional items such as a hot glue gun, scissors, wire cutters, a permanent marker, metallic paint, and a paintbrush. Your kit comes with one tin can, multiple gears, washers, nuts, and springs of different sizes, 2 straws, 1 photo holder, and 2 silicone glue bars. You can use any one of these pieces to represent something on the face, so think outside the box. Layering or stacking one object over another can make an interesting shape. Layering was used to make the WoWbot's eyes, nose, and mouth. You can mix and match these pieces and cut them and glue them together in many different ways, so let your imagination loose. We need to cut the bendy part of one of the straws. Don't cut too close to the bendy part. Leave 1/4 of an inch of the straight part of the straw so that the two parts can connect. You will only need 1 full straw to make this. Extend the length of the bendy straw. Connect the two ends together. You can do this by squeezing one end and pushing it into the other end. You can also use this shape as a mouth instead of a bow. Take the straight part that was cut off the straw and trim it a little bit over 1/4 of an inch. Cut long ways on the right side of that piece. You will need the glue gun for this step. Glue the middle of the bendy oval together. Press that portion together until the glue is set. You should add more glue so that when you place the straight part of the straw that we prepared, that it will stick better. It should cover both sides of the straw. It should look something like this. Find the right piece or pieces to fit over the center of that bow. Glue the first piece down. You can leave it like this, or you can add a smaller piece in the center. Remember to glue it down. And that's the finished bow. You can place this bow in any location, underneath the mouth or the top of the head, make it look like a hair bow. If you want to fluff it out, just take the sides and squish them together like so in the video. The result will be a rounder bow. This is how you make your slinky arms so that you can still grab them, play with them, but they are attached to your robot. You can achieve this with a mini slinky if you have one included with your kit. The slinky will be cut in half to the best of your ability by taking your full slinky, by grabbing the two ends and pulling and trying to find the closest location of the center. Once you've selected the ring you will cut only one side of that ring. You only need to do one cut so that the slinky splits in two. Before gluing each side to the can, find the sharpest edge and then put your glue onto the can and then press that sharp edge into the glue. Apply pressure until the glue is dry. Glue the bottom of that ring to the can as well. Remember to apply pressure until the glue is dry. You can test how well it adhered by pulling on the slinky. Glue the other portion of the slinky to the other side, and now your slinky arms are complete. By layering the different washers, you can create something that resembles an eye. If you put a gear on top of those washers, it kind of looks like eyelashes. You can leave it like that, or you can take the gear and cut it in half with your wire cutters. The two halves could still look like eyelashes, or you could use them for other things. Don't be afraid to think outside the box for each one of these pieces. easiest tool to use for the markings is the permanent marker, but you can also use paint, and you can add paint and color to any portion of the pieces that you'd like. Once you finish adding the finishing details, your WoW bot is complete.